Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we will be diving into the Muun Wallet, which is a user-friendly Bitcoin and Lightning Network wallet. So if you are curious about how it works and whether it's the right choice for your crypto transactions in 2025, stay tuned as we explore its features and benefits. So Muun Wallet is a non-custodial wallet that is designed for Bitcoin and Lightning transactions. It is known for its simplicity and advanced security. It's ideal for the users who are looking for a seamless way to send, receive, and store Bitcoin while leveraging the speed of the Lightning Network. Here are some of the key features of the Muun Wallet that you can consider. So, Muun Wallet supports both the on-chain Bitcoin transaction and the Lightning payment in a single wallet. Muun Wallet features an intuitive and minimalist design, so beginners will find it very easy to navigate and advanced users will appreciate its clean layout for managing the transactions. So the wallet is non-custodial, meaning that you own your private keys. It also includes the features like two-factor authentication and encrypted backups, ensuring your funds are safe and recoverable. Muun Wallet simplifies the recovery with encrypted cloud backups, allowing you to restore their wallet on a new device without relying on the traditional seed phrases. Muun also offers the dynamic fee management, enabling you to adjust the transaction fees based on the speed requirement. It is also available for both iOS and Android, which makes it accessible for the users across various mobile platforms. So these were some of the pros and the features of the Muun Wallet. Now we will also need to consider its cons. So it is mobile only wallet, so you will not get the desktop or the browser version of it. It is focused solely on Bitcoin, so with no support of altcoins. So if you want to store altcoins, then this might not be the perfect choice for you. Now getting started with the Muun Wallet is also quite easy. You just have to simply download its application from your Google Play Store or App Store and create your account. I will also create a dedicated video for you to getting started with the Muun Wallet. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and press that notification bell. In my final thoughts, I would like to say that Muun Wallet is an excellent choice for Bitcoin users, especially those who are looking to take advantage of the Lightning Network. Its clean interface, robust security, and the efficient transaction management make it a top pick for 2025. However, if you are looking for a multi-currency wallet or a desktop support, you may need to explore other options. And for other options, you can explore my channel because I have created a series of wallets. I have reviewed them, so you might find the best one for you in those videos. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.